how to make money online. How to make money online with your phone. Yeah, my people. Now informate I carry come. Say some of us for this life, we dey lazy. I want to say we don't feel do all those kind of physical work. Maybe like work, maybe push wheelbarrow, mode block, do liberal work, all those things, do painting. Most of us we dey lazy. We don't fit do those jobs. Like even if we get those jobs to do, but we know they fit do them. I want to say no be our kind of thing. They get to some people will be saying no be their kind of thing, and they know they see money. But the one where they pay me back because they say person we do lazy, and then at the end of the day, he knows still him himself cannot afford to be doing smart work again. Smart work, like to the make money through your phone, a part of smart work. Like you could just calm down, JJ, they make your legit money. This one will be by no by Yahoo, just clean legit money. Many ways to make money online, but my brother, you just no one know. You just no one go, like you no one come up from your comfort zone to go and do research or to go and find or even ask questions. Say half and half you take the collection of money from online. Again now, many ways plenty, but you just most of us just relax for that our comfort zone. Just did the way make God come do it for us. My dear, I say I tell you, God no go do anything for you. Now you go walk yourself out. So me cause say can now make me carry this information now. Come now. I don't get much information. Wait, I want to tell you say okay, just go for YouTube. YouTube go give you what you want. YouTube go give you everything where you need to know about how to make money online. Just go YouTube now, how to make money online. Everywhere. You go see video tire. You go see video tire. Very clean. Now you yourself go see video tire. Then inside this YouTube of his stuff, you get what I want to talk behind this thing. I notice within me or me, say we be human beings. So most of the time, the things so they talk now. What they or now what they see within us. I notice say most of young guys or young girls, our youth like this. Most of them they be film watcher, like film. You go see person go there say, I bet you get this film, send me this film. You go see grown up people. Person will not get 50,000 naira for account. Go they talk about this movie and one will still come out. I know they say make them not watch film, but the thing guys they do me say, this person like this, you don't get 20,000 naira from your account. I need to talk about movie. Meanwhile, in fit use that time when we use watch season film will be 8 hours. Imagine say that time we use watch season film will be 8 hours or even 2 hours. You can't go for you to go there watch YouTube videos how to make money online. By the time you go do on 1 week, if your brain no research by today make you money, no say the lie. Make you just no say I the lie. You get also most of my brothers and sisters now when they took talk, they do video. If but most of them they do them through nakedness. That is, if he no naked, he no get any other thing to offer until he go there naked for video before he go offer. Then that one aside again, many of us, if you watch now, we don't get plenty content creators for social media, Facebook, TikTok, and that. With plenty butter. Many, but what me want to tell you is all of us, no be must say all of us go do video. No be must, all of us go do video. So now, instead of where you go all the time, you go to come Facebook or go TikTok, go to watch people's video because this is what they talk. I guess some people where they stay with their own to just when they subscribe, they will just enter TikTok then or enter Facebook. Any video they will just watch the past. The one they like, they will comment. The one they go one like, they go like them. Now just not their own be that. You they contribute for a person. Oh, try make another person contribute for your own career, man. You get now. So I just make I talk about this thing. Do I bring her because I know say guess somebody with that we need to hear this when they talk now. Then another thing is say me myself on my own. If I get on any other better research via YouTube, or if I see any app if you tell about money, I go see her and come. But I just make I drop this very one now at the moment. If I see get more information about this money stuff, I go see her and come. Now, as you watch finish, do well, share. God will therefore God bless you. Thank you.